Hello guys! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. For today's video guys ay mayroon na naman tayong i-share sa inyo itong Legends of Constellation Awakening kung saan ay pwede po tayong maglaro at kumita ng pera. So nasa description lang guys no yung invitation link kung saan ay mag-download po kayo at mag-register at gamitin yung aking invitation code. So ito nga po guys yung NFT game na ating i-share, itong Legend of Constellation Awakening. Kung saan ay pwede po tayong maglaro guys at kumita ng crypto. So i-click nyo lang po yung aking invitation link test no at mag-download po kayo ng Legend of Constellation. Then yan, first guys no is mag-register po tayo. So select country or region, please enter mobile number, password natin, yan, then invitation code natin. So input lang po natin guys yung aking invitation code, itong nasa gilid, at i-enter lang po natin ang enter game. So sa nakita nyo guys, so meron po akong 5 NFT guys, ayan. So ito po sila guys yung 5 NFT ko. So pag mag start challenge tayo guys no, i-click lang po natin itong start challenge. Ayan. So i-okay natin. So ito po yung ating kalaban guys. So yung level natin is level 11, 114. So mas lamang tayo guys no sa level natin. So dapat ipa-level natin guys yung ating mga NFT para mas lumakas guys. Yan, i-click natin yung okay. So yung kalaban natin guys is mga level 2 lang. So kayang-kaya po natin to. Ayan. So one hit lang yan guys no? Kasi yan. So ang lalakas ng NFT natin. So after natin mag-create account guys no is meron po tayong 3 NFT guys na free. So makita natin dito guys no sa hero. So ayan, ito po yung free guys. Then ito na po yung current NFT ko guys. So ito po is mas malakas po itong NFT ko. Ayan. Pwede din po tayong mag-purchase guys no dito sa purchase. So i-click na lang po natin itong purchase na sa gilid. Yan, pwede po tayong mag-purchase guys ng hero dito ng NFT. Ayan. So ayan, iba yung price niya guys. Ayan, so mayroong 30 USDT dito. Ayan, yung total output niya is 144 LOC. So pwede po na i-convert po natin yung 144 LOC to USDT kung magkano yung exchange rate niya. Ayan, mayroon din ditong $72 dollar. So 132 240. Ayan. So kayo lang bahala guys no kung magkano yung inyong ma-afford. So ayan, yung total output guys is 2,500 LOC. So tingnan natin guys mamaya guys kung magkano yung 2,000 kung magkano yung exchange rate ng LOC to USDT. So pwede din po tayong kumita guys no sa pag-invite dito sa NFT game. Ayan, i-click lang po natin itong invitation nasa gilid guys. Ayan. So makikita natin dito guys no yung ating QR code. Ayan din yung ating invitation code at invitation link. So pwede po natin yan i-share guys no para makapag-invite tayo. At makakuha po tayo ng commission na LOC. Ayan. So automatic na po yan guys no, makita natin kung magkano sa PHP. So invitation rules, you will get 6% production commission from level 1 users. So meron tayong 6% guys no na commissions. Yung level 2 naman is 2% at level 3 is 1%. So for example, your level 1 user purchases an NFT hero. When your level 1 users earn 10 LOC profit, you get a commission. Ito yung ating commission guys. Itong 0.6 LOC. Ayan. So users who registered with your invitation code will become your level 1 users. If level 1 invites friends, his friends will be your level 2 users. So ito guys yung so if level 2 invites friends, his friends are your level 3 users. So 3 item rewards: invite 5 people, level 1 to get a Gemini hero. So tingnan natin guys kung ano itong Gemini hero. Invite 15 people and create commission of 20 LOC. Then you can get to practice cards. So, ayan, meron tayong 50 lock guys, no, kung maka-invite tayo. So, invite 40 is meron tayong 100 lock. Invite 5 friends to join the game to open the first treasure chest. So, yun nga po guys, no, yung ating commission pag maka-invite tayo. So, kung mag-buy hero tayo guys, no, is need po natin talagang mag-recharge. So, hindi po tayo maka-buy heroes guys, no, hindi tayo mag-recharge guys. Mag-recharge tayo guys, is i-click lang po natin itong wallet. Ayan, so i-click natin yung recharge guys. So, example guys, mag-recharge tayo ng $100. So, yung minimum recharge dito guys, no, is $10. So, i-click natin yung recharge now. Yan, so, yan, need to pay is 100 USDT. So, i-click natin itong USDT. So ito nga po guys, no, use Binance or another wallet app. So meron tayong QR code dito. So or i-copy natin itong wallet address guys. Then punta tayo guys, no, sa ating wallet guys, sa Binance. Then mag-send lang po tayo guys, no, ng $100. Then i-click natin itong iPad. Ayan. Then mga minutes lang po yan guys, is within 5 minutes is ma-receive po natin yung ni-recharge natin. So example, dito tayo, no, example dito sa C2C. So i-click natin yan. So fiat currency po yan guys. So pwede tayong mag-recharge guys gamit ang GCash or InstaPay. So yung babayaran nga natin guys is 6,000. Ayan. So example GCash. So I got so i-click po natin itong got it guys. So ito po guys, no, yung number guys. So dito tayo mag-send ng 6,000 pesos. Ayan, after natin mag-send guys, is i-click natin itong iPad. Ayan. So i-click natin itong iPad guys. Then ito nga po guys, no, yung pangalan Eledjo Kiboyen Jr. Ayan. Then so ganoon lang po guys, no, mag-recharge. So pag mag-withdraw naman tayo guys, i-click lang po natin itong withdraw. Yan, so yung minimum is $10, then max is $100,000 guys. So example, mag-withdraw tayo ng $100. Yan, then i-click natin yung continue. So bago tayo mag-withdraw guys, so kung hindi nyo pa na-set guys yung inyong assets password, so i-set nyo lang po guys, no, i-click lang po natin tong assets password. So i-set natin guys, para yan po yung ating gagamitin guys sa pag-bind ng ating wallet. I-click natin yung payment method. So i-bind muna natin guys, no, yung ating TRC20 or GCash account. So example GCash account. So go. So input natin dito guys, no, yung ating GCash account. So i-bind natin. I-click natin yung save. Then pag USDT naman is i-click natin yung USDT or TRC20 or ERC20. So i-bind lang natin guys, no. Yan, i-bind lang natin yung ating wallet. Then pag natapos na natin mag-bind guys, is pwede na po tayong mag-withdraw nyan. So automatic na po yan guys na makapag-withdraw. So i-click lang natin yung continue, then automatic na po yan. Ito din pala yung ating withdrawal record guys. So ayan. So first is naka-withdraw ko ng 86.21 USDT. And yung second withdraw ko is 118.96 USDT. So nung July 17. So first withdraw ko guys is July 4, then July 17 second, then pangatlong withdraw ko is 181 USDT. So August 1. Then with last withdraw ko guys is 308 USDT. So nung July 14. So kung i-total guys, malaki-laki na rin yung aking na-withdraw. Yan. So dito sa Legend of Constellation. So ito po yung overview guys ng lock. So ito po yung overview guys no, ng Legend of Constellation coin. So meron po silang total supply guys na 550 million. Then yung circulating supply is yan, same. So kayo na po bahala guys kung kailan niyo i-hold or kailan niyo i-withdraw yung inyong lock na makukuha sa paglalaro ng Legend of Constellation. So meron pong tatlong heroes guys na mag-generate ng lock. So ito pong hero guys is si Draco, Cassiopeia at Phoenix. So ito si Cepheus guys is sold out na po siya. So yan, tatlong heroes na lang guys no ang pwede natin ma-purchase para makapag-generate ng lock token. So tingnan natin guys yung rate ng lock to USDT. So dito tayo sa wallet, swap. Yan, so example guys no, makikita natin dito guys yung kung magkano lahat yung USDT. So example, mag-convert tayo ng 1,000 lock. So meron tayong 350 USDT guys no. Yan, so example 1 lock. Yan, so yung 1 lock guys is equivalent to 0.3509 USDT. So iyan po yung rate guys no ng lock. So ito na po guys yung lock na naipon ko is 2,924. So tingnan nga natin. So try natin i-convert guys. So 2,924. So meron tayong $1,026. Ayan yung rate ng rate ng ating lock na naipon.